Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on your iPhone device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Let's say you want to toggle off your Wi-Fi. The easiest way to do that is to go to the Control Center, just swipe down from the top right corner to bring up Control Center, where you can easily find that Wi-Fi icon. You can hit at that icon once to toggle it off, but when you're toggling it off, right here it says that Wi-Fi toggled off until tomorrow. So when tomorrow comes up, Wi-Fi will be turned on again. As of me, that is quite strange Apple feature. I don't know why they did so, but now I will show you how you can easily toggle off Wi-Fi manually so it wouldn't be toggled off again. So you can open up settings, and right here you can easily find that Wi-Fi feature. Just get into it, and all you have to do is just toggle off this switcher next to Wi-Fi. If you hit at that switcher, you toggle off Wi-Fi feature permanently, and it wouldn't be turned on until you manually get right here in the settings and Wi-Fi again, and until you manually hit at that switcher to toggle it on. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.